Everyone says computers understand only 0 and 1. But here is the real question. How do these zeros and ones actually become images, sound, and videos? Hi, and welcome to Lazy Coder. This is the second video in our series where we understand technology from scratch and in the right way. Now, let's actually understand how this works. Inside your computer, 0 and 1 are not just numbers, they are electrical states. 0 means low voltage, or you can say it off, and 1 means it's high voltage, it's on. So, physically, your computer is just billions of tiny switches turning on and off. These switches are stored in a memory cells. In RAM, each memory cell is built using transistors that can hold electric charge. If charge is present in it, then it's 1. If there is no charge, then it's 0. On storage devices like SSDs, data is stored using floating gate transistors that trap electrons to represent these bits. On single 0 or 1 is called a bit. But one bit alone doesn't mean much. So computers group them together. Now what are these bits bytes? Okay. One single 0 or 1 is called a bit. But one bit alone doesn't mean much. So computers group them together. 8 bits makes 1 byte. And 1 byte can represent a number from 0 to 255. And these numbers are what everything is built on. Now, how images are stored? Every image is made of tiny dots called pixels, and each pixel has three values. So, red, green, and blue. And combining those, we get a color. Okay. Now, each color is stored in 1 byte. So, 1 pixel is 3 bytes. For example, red is 255, which is series of 1, and green is 0 series of zeros, and blue is 0. This is an example. That combination gives you a pure red. Okay. Now millions of these pixels together from the image you see. Now how audio is stored? Sound is actually a wave, so computers captures it by sampling thousands of times every second. Like for example 44,100 times per second. Each sample is stored as a number in binary. Your speakers read those numbers and convert them into vibration, which you hear as sound. Video, it's just image plus sound. Like each frame is an image, and you see around 24 to 60 frames every second. So 24 images in 1 second. Computers don't see images, they don't hear sound, they only understand numbers, and by those numbers they can represent those. Now thank you for watching this video, and you can subscribe us for our next video.